Hello people, welcome to the workshop again. Got a bit of a pig of a job today. So I don't know if anyone's ever had this issue where your knob falls off of your seat. Just the back of the seat comes up and down, clickety clack. The issue you're gonna have, you're gonna need to do, stick something down there, get one of those boys in there, wrench them over, clampy clamp on the shaft. This is usually like here, so you got no chance of fixing this otherwise. And then remove this from this, and then we're going to somehow attempt to take that onto there. So going to be using the Artec today. I mean, I say today, it's the only welder I've got. So the argon's on. Yep, 60 amps, looks good. I'll probably try and get a fusion tap first. I've got no idea how I'm going to do this. Probably with one hand. Okay. Probably should put a glove on. One glove. So, I think we'll go double glove today for this job with my holdy hand. Double gloved up for protection. So I'm literally just going to hold it. Something like that. Wish me luck. God, I can't see a thing. Pro tip when you TIG welding, it's usually a good idea to complete the circuit. We'll just do it like that. So I don't think it's going to pass through the fabric somehow. Okay. Second time's a charm. We have fusion. She ain't very straight or centered, probably is the right word, right? I might probably weld it and then center it, actually, probably do a shout. Get it all together. Obviously, you don't want to get this hot because it's fabric. I say as it smokes. Uh-oh, pat this again. Bloody hell. That was a pain. Pretty good. That is definitely now one bit of metal. Now is the moment of truth time. I mean, it's not really, so I know it's going to work. Woo! There she goes. That is definitely going to need some glue. I can already feel like it's going to rip straight out of there. As soon as I release that tension, it's going to whip that throat off of there. Maybe screwdriver in. Hold him up. Screw this fucker in. Oh, it works. You can imagine how much of a pain this was when there was no knob. You literally couldn't move this door, the seat back, so happy days. Another project complete. And there is the seat reinstalled. Let's give her a test. This thing out of the way. Ooh, easy bit done. Ooh. Hell yeah. Yeah. You can imagine how much pain in the backside that was when we didn't have a knob. You could get it open, but it would take some long nose pliers and a bit of work. But that's so much better. Yay! Now I just got to put the back on, fix the rust, and she's good.